Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Curious about the origins of everyday words? Test your etymology skills with our 50-question quiz. Watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the origin of the word alphabet? The answer is C, Greek. The word robot comes from which language? Correct answer is D, Czech. The term tsunami originated from which language? Correct answer is C, Japanese. Safari comes from which language? The answer is A, Swahili. What is the origin of the word shampoo? Correct answer is B, Hindi. The word algebra comes from which language? The answer is B, Arabic. Chocolate originated from which language? Answer is C, Nahuatl. What is the origin of the word ballet? Correct answer is D, Italian. The term avatar comes from which ancient language? The correct answer is A, Sanskrit. Ketchup has its origins in which language? The answer is C, Chinese. Where does the word cliché come from? Correct answer is B, French. Tattoo originated from which language? The correct answer is D, Tahitian. What is the origin of the word pajamas? The correct answer is A, Urdu. The word typhoon is derived from which language? The correct answer is C, Chinese. Alcohol comes from which language? Correct answer is B, Arabic. Where does the word bungalow originate from? The correct answer is D, Hindi. The word zero originated from which language? Correct answer is C, Arabic. Assassin comes from which language? The answer is A. Arabic. The word bizarre originated from which language? Correct answer is B. French. What is the origin of the word guitar? The correct answer is B. Spanish. Chai as in tea comes from which language? Correct answer is C. Chinese. The word pistol comes from which language? The answer is D. Italian. Cannibal originated from which language? The correct answer is A. Taino. Where does the word yoga come from? The answer is B. Sanskrit. The word marathon is derived from which language? Correct answer is C. Greek. Tornado comes from which language? The correct answer is D. Spanish. What is the origin of the word origami? Correct answer is A. Japanese. The word zombie originated from which language? Answer is B. Haitian Creole. Khaki comes from which language? The correct answer is C. Hindi. Where does the word okra originate from? Answer is D. Yoruba. The term bungalow has origins in which country's language? Correct answer is C. India, Hindi. Mango originates from which language? The correct answer is D. Malayalam. Where does the word voodoo come from? Correct answer is B. Yoruba. Tambourine comes from which language? Answer is C. Arabic. Berserk is derived from which language? The correct answer is D. Norse. Where does the word tofu come from? answer is B. Japanese. The word giraffe originated from which language? Correct answer is A. Arabic. Juggernaut comes from which language? The correct answer is C. Sanskrit. What is the origin of the word lemon? Answer is D. Arabic. Ballet has its origins in which language? Correct answer is A. Italian. Where does the word of mosquito come from? The correct answer is B. Spanish. The word kindergarten originates from which language? Answer is C. German. Karaoke comes from which language? The correct answer is D. Japanese. The word curry has its origin in which language? Answer is B. Tamil. Umbrella is derived from which language? Correct answer is A. Latin. The word pasta comes from which language? The correct answer is C. Italian. Where does the word tycoon originate from? Answer is D. Japanese. What is the origin of the word coffee? Correct answer is A. Arabic. The word sushi originates from which language? The correct answer is C. Japanese. What is the origin of the word cereal? The correct answer is B. Latin. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 50 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!